Hello, welcome back a new video. Today in this video I will teach you the present perfect tense and key uses of the present perfect tense. Also in this video we will learn sentence structure of present perfect tense. I have covered in last video present continuous tense and that video I explain present continuous tense in briefly, and now today in this video the topic is the present perfect tense. The main motive I make video, I explain every tense, every structure with briefly. That is very important. You know, we when we study about tense, so that time we study like present indefinite, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous, but we could not understand what are the main uses where we use is we if we learn present perfect tense, what are the main uses in our daily speaking. That is the important. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start present perfect tense. First of all, we see the definition of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions that have a connection between the past and the present. These two keywords very important, past and the present, mean present perfect tense use when describing action which have the connection between the past and the present. The exact time of the action is not important or not specified. It emphasizes the result or experience of a past action in the present moment. Very important. We understand where we use present perfect tense. The main focus of present perfect tense is the connection between incident between past and present, and exact time action not important, not specified. Okay, it emphasizes result or experience of a past action in the present moment. Now let's talk about key uses of the present perfect tense. First use, action that happened at an unspecified time in the past. The focus is on the action itself, not when it occurred. Mean first use is action that happened in unspecified time in the past. We only focus in this uses action itself, not when occur. Example, I have seen that movie before. When I saw, it is not important. Okay. Now, second use, actions that started in the past and are still continuing in the present. Actions start past and still continue in the present. This often uses the words for a duration of time since specific point in the time. In this in this in this use, important is specific point in time. Example, she lived here for 5 years. Here the mentioned time 5 year. She still lives here now, means 5 year also live and also still lives here now. Okay, they have been friends since 2010. Since is used mean show past, and also they are still friends now means show past since 2010, and also friend in this time they are still friends now. Okay, action, this is very important. First uses is happen incident, not important, like not important the incident of occurrence. But second is important time duration. Okay, now let's talk about third. To talk about life experience, this is often used the words like ever and never. These two words are very important. Example, have you ever visited Japan? Have you ever visited Japan is show life experience. Ask question, have you ever visited Japan? No. Then we discuss four fourth uses action that happen in the recent past and have a result in the present. Result in the present. This often uses words like just, already, or yet. Example, he has just finished his homework. The result is that his homework is not done. Okay, mean he has just finished, means just finish his homework. The result is that his homework is no done. Okay, so we have very smartly learn the uses of the present perfect tense. First use is important, action happen but not important time, not important when occur. And second is action start past and still continue. I also discuss here example. And third is talk about life experience, two word important, ever and never. Fourth, important, use action that happen in the recent or past and have a result in the present. Okay, so now discuss about the sentence structure. Sentence structure. Here are formulas and example for forming positive, negative and interrogative sentence. First is positive. Positive is known as affirmative structure. Structure, subject plus have, has plus past participle verb third form plus object. Use has, where we use has use in singular form like he, she, it. Singular noun, the dog Ali. Okay, means okay. Use have use. I is exception, like I is the singular, but I say I choose I say I choose, very important. I exception, I choose have. Okay, I choose have. Always we use in I, we use the plural form. Okay, so use have with I, you, we, they, plural noun. The dogs Ali and Sarah. Okay, example, let's see example. She has written. Also remember I also told in past perfect tense, in present perfect tense always use verb third form. She has, she is the subject, has is the helping verb, and written is verb third form, and email to her messenger object. Okay, we have completed the project successfully. I have read that book 3 times. The team has won the championship. Okay, they have already eaten their lunch. Where we discuss about already, we discuss here like just already, action that happen in the recent past and have a result in the present. Okay, here this is example, they have already eaten their lunch. Negative structure. Okay, negative structure, subject have plus have, has plus not plus past participle verb third, only use not. Okay, the contraction for has not is has not. Okay, so this is basic. No, example, he has not finished his work yet. I have not seen her yesterday. Now discuss, they have not decided on vacation spot. The package has not arrived. We have not been to the restaurant before. Interrogative question. Interrogative mean question structure. Have, has plus subject plus past participle plus verb plus object. Okay, have you spoken to the new client? Second, has she submitted her application? Have they ever traveled to South America? Has the rain stopped yet? Have I met you somewhere before. Okay, so this lecture about the present perfect tense. Okay, we have completed present perfect tense, and next video I will cover present perfect continuous tense with the example. I hope this video really help those students which want to speak English, which want to learn tense. And very important, every day consistency, speak every day, make small sentence which help in your basic English. So I give you one mantra of speaking English, like every day speak every day, speak every day. Firstly, you speak your routines, daily routines, like when you wake up, when you sleep, so all over when you go for sleeping. So before sleeping, 5 minutes give yourself, and speak whole day whatever you do in from morning to night. So that is the very important when you speak. So always remember in telling the daily routines, important use of present indefinite, means present indefinite use for the daily routines. So make small sentence like I wake up at early morning 6 o'clock, and make some small sentence. After that I take shower, after that I pray. So many sentence you make in your daily routines. I also try to make one video on daily routines, which will be very helpful. So thank you watching this video. I will meet you next video.